Hello and welcome again to this tapping video. You're with me, Janine, Change for Success. If you do like these videos, please do hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any, because I am putting these videos out regularly, and there's a lot more information down below about how you can work with me on a one-to-one where we can get deeply into the stuff. But we work for 5 minutes or so on these short videos so you can see how tapping works for you. And today we're going to work on willpower. Willpower alone can be really hard to shift. You know, if you're thinking of a goal that you want to achieve or something new that you want to do. And we're going to help you improve your superpower around willpower today, okay? That's what we're going to work on. So have a think what goal you're working on. Have a think about that for a moment. What's kind of keeping you stuck? Is the willpower a bit of an issue? And we really want to crank that up, okay? We want to help you let go of whatever's keeping you stuck, whatever's kind of holding you back, okay? So just start tapping along with me on the side of the hand. So even though I've got these goals, I'm feeling stuck, but I'm gonna let that all go today. Even though I've got all these ideas, I really want to improve that willpower. And I'm gonna let go of what's holding me back. I've got all these ideas or maybe specific goals, and I want to achieve those. And I'm going to improve that willpower and achieve whatever is right for me. Letting go of all those things that are holding me back. And I choose to accept me now anyway, and maybe anyone else that might be involved. Letting go of resistance. I'm going to smash these goals. Letting go of all these things that's holding me back. And I choose to accept me now anyway, and maybe anyone else that might be involved. Okay, just going on the points. All these things that I want to achieve, but I feel like I'm being held back. I really want to smash that willpower. I really want to strengthen that willpower. And I'm tapping into these feelings now. Tapping into these feelings of strength. Tapping into these feelings of success. All these things that I want to achieve. But maybe this lack of willpower is holding me back. Maybe this thing's getting in the way. Maybe this thing's keeping me stuck. I'm choosing to let go of that now. I'm choosing to strengthen my willpower. I'm choosing to boost all my strength. Tapping into all this energy. Tapping into all this self-belief. I've got this. Manifesting this willpower. Making this willpower super strong. Making my willpower so strong. I've got this. I don't want to focus on all these. I don't want to focus on these failures, or focus on lack, or maybe focus on these times where things went wrong, because that's all in the past. There is no failure anyway, only feedback. So I'm going to focus on all this willpower, strengthening my willpower, allowing myself to feel stronger. Allow myself to feel stronger in mindset. Allow myself to feel fitter and stronger in mind and body. I've got this. Whatever it is I want to achieve, why shouldn't I achieve it? Tapping into strength. Tapping into super willpower. Just allowing any old stuff to go. Letting go of focusing on lack. Letting go of focusing on negatives. Letting go of focusing on the I can'ts. Instead, I can. I've got this. All this willpower. I know I'm going to succeed. I'm going to smash this. Why shouldn't I achieve these goals? Why shouldn't I achieve whatever it is I want to achieve? Letting go of anything that's holding me back. Tapping into super strength. Super strong willpower. all this extra willpower is going to spur me on. I've got this. And it feels so good. Letting go all those things that are holding me back. All the way back through my past. That's great. Take a nice deep breath. Breathe out. Willpower is just a thing, it's mindset. Let that go. Notice how you're feeling now. Notice that energy vibe, energy raise. Okay, do get in touch to let me know how you get on. I'd love to support you further. See you soon.